every fall makes you stronger. This is Rise Stick.
The world was silent, too silent. Smoke rose where dreams once stood. He was the last one left. No voices, no laughter, only wind. Yet his heart still beat, stubbornly. He picked up a broken flag from the ground. "There must be someone left," he whispered. So he started walking. Nowhere but forward. Days turned into weeks. Still no sign of life. Hunger, pain, silence. But giving up was never an option. He searched for light, not outside, but within. Each step became a promise. If no one's left, I'll still keep hope alive. Then a sound. A weak voice calling for help. He ran, faster than ever before. "Hold on, I'm coming!" With all his strength, he lifted the debris. A second heart started beating again. Hope was no longer alone. They built a fire that night, not for warmth, but for faith. "We can rebuild," he said. "We will!" Days became purpose. Purpose became strength. And strength became life again. The city slowly began to breathe. He looked around and smiled. Hope was contagious, from one to many. The world was healing, not because it was easy, but because they never stopped believing. "This time," he said, "we'll protect what we build." The ashes of yesterday became the soil of tomorrow. The darkness finally faded. He looked at the horizon and whispered, "As long as I breathe, hope will live."
Welcome to Rise Stick, where every fall becomes a comeback. Subscribe now.